this morning, before New Year, I have to clean my washing machine because number one, I didn't clean it for a long time. Not until I smell that there's moldy and smells different. When your washing machine smells different, like smells, even you wash it or use it all the time, it's moldy, that means that needs cleaning. So this is what I'm going to do, and I will gonna show to you and clean with me. Without further ado, let's go. First is when you smell your washing machine that smells moldy, that means that needs cleaning. Mine is haven't been cleaned this since. So first is I'm gonna clean this area here, and then after that I'm gonna clean the opening here and open this. Look, I'm not wrong, there's lots of molds in here, and yeah, and I'm pretty much sure there is more here. Look, see, in that one area here. Wow, that's a lot of mold. That's why that's smelly. And then I tried to really use this clean washer. It's not working. It's error. I got the receipt, that one. And this one is the first time that I clean before. Look, hold on, I'm gonna show it to you. Push it. Oh, hold on. I can undo this one and clean it, and I already did that other time. And look, that's dirty too, so get clean. It needs to be cleaned up. I'm gonna spray Clorox. I diluted a little bit, but if it's not working, I will not dilute. I'm gonna spray first the outside and then the inside. Okay, we're gonna work first. That's why this is stinky, because there's a lot of mold in it. Okay, done. Then I'm gonna soak this one with a Clorox, chlorine or Clorox, and then I'm gonna put it in the area where it's the mold is plenty in here and here all around, and leave it for 2 hours. Okay, first is I'm gonna clean this here because it's really been a while. I haven't been cleaning this since we bought it. There's a buildup of acid. The water is hard here, so because it's from the wheel. And okay, and then after cleaning the outside around the then I soak a towel with a chlorine or Clorox, and the area that is a lot of mold. I don't know if you see it. See, there's black in there. So that's the area, this top area around here that I didn't really clean so much. That's the one that I'm gonna put a towel with Clorox. Put it that way to soak it, and then the top too. Or if you want to, you can wear a glove so the Clorox will not go to your skin, but mine, I wash my hands. Okay, then I'm gonna put more. Okay, spray more in here. Okay, I already put this here for not only 2 hours, but I leave it there for over a day. And now we were gonna remove this and then clean it afterwards. Okay,
when you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know.
okay, I put the soap and scrub in here, and then the one that's not coming off, I put more Clorox and leave it set there for hours to make it sure it will gonna come off. And then I'll come back this later and sanitize it. I have a sanitized setting in this here, so afterwards, after I clean all over that and then have a sanitized cycle, or if you don't have sanitize in your washing machine, then you can pour, you can deload if you want to, but if it's pretty bad, for me, I choose not to. After that, I'm gonna run hot water. After I sanitize it, run hot water, and then I will gonna check if it still smells moldy. Okay. One of the cons of the front loader washing machine is mold.